So in this Kraken tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to buy Solana, ticker symbol SOL, on Kraken. So once you open up Kraken, I want you to go to the bottom bar and press on the Explore button, then go to the top, press on the search page, and then type in ticker symbol SOL. Under search results, Solana is the number one. Go ahead and press on that. Once you're here and Solana is shown, just go to the bottom and press on Buy Solana. Once you're here, type in the amount that you're looking to buy. So if I wanted to type in $20, for instance, as an example, I'll press on that, and then to proceed, press on the purple arrow. Once you're here, it'll show you the amounts, the price, the Kraken fee, and the total. And if you want to proceed with the transaction, check the I understand, and then press on purple confirm, and then proceed with the transaction that way. So very simple, very straightforward. That is how to buy Solana on Kraken. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.